14. We're now lifting up. Blast off. Oh my gosh. We're high. No loose. No loosen. Loose. Nope.
Kunin mo si Alex. Ay, yung mo doon.
Yung
Boba. Gusto mo hati tayo?
oh yeah, but no. The tower is falling down. Grandma, what do we do?
Sabi ko sa'yo, pag may tamaan yung kandila.
Meh. It's gone. Beep, beep, beep.
Kaya inumin natin. Inumin ko yung watermelon.